We discuss body fluids, basic concept, formation, distribution, excretion. Body fluids is a general term for all the normal fluids in the body. It includes the various kinds of fluids existing in all the organs and tissues, as well as the normal liquid secretions, including gastric juice, intestinal juice, nasal discharge, saliva, and tears. Like qi and blood, body fluids are one of the basic substances constituting the human body. Chinese medicine distinguishes two general varieties of body fluids, Jin and Ye. These differ in their characteristics, actions, and distribution. In general, the Jin type of fluids is clearer and thinner, moves more freely, and is principally distributed through the superficies, including the skin, the muscles, and the orifices. It also enters the blood vessels readily and has the actions of nourishing and moistening. The Ye type of fluids is more viscous and does not move as freely. It permeates the bones and joints, the visceral organs, the brain and the marrow, where it acts to moisten the structures. Each of these two types of fluids readily transforms into the other. Hence, they are generally referred to together as Jin Ye, that is, body fluids. In clinical context concerning body fluids, it is usually clear which type of fluid, Jin or Ye or both, is under consideration. Formation of body fluids. Body fluids derive from drink and food through digestion by the stomach, separation of the clear from the turbid by the small intestine, and transformation by the spleen. Thus, the abundance and adequacy of body fluids is closely tied to the physiological actions of these viscera. The distribution of body fluids is accomplished mainly through the joint action of the spleen, transportation and transformation, the lung, dispersion and depuration, the kidney transformation, and the sanjiao regulation of waterways. Following transformation by the spleen, fluid is first conveyed upward to the lung, which then distributes it. Part of the fluid is delivered to the body surface to moisten it. Following its further metabolism, the pores secrete the surplus as sweat. Another part is delivered downward, following depuration by the lung to all the organs and tissues to nourish and moisten them. A portion is conveyed by the sanjiao to the bladder, whereby the transforming action of the kidney, its essential part, is further distributed to the entire body, and the residual part becomes urine to be discharged. Other viscera also affect distribution of body fluids. The liver's conducting and facilitating action enhances distribution of body fluids. The sanjiao acts to keep its flow unimpeded. The large intestine partially absorbs the water from the waste of food and drink for reutilization. In summary, the metabolism of body fluids depends upon the functional coordination and balance of many viscera. Of them, the lung, the spleen, and the kidney play the main roles, and the action of kidney yang provides the motive power for the whole metabolic process. Dysfunction of any of these three organs can lead to disturbance in the metabolism of body fluids and can result in illnesses of stagnation and retention of water. So here is a very interesting flow chart or schema of the body fluids. Thank you very much for your attention.